Hi, I'm Mrs. Stiltner,
And I'm Miss Moore.
and we're two of your third grade teachers. Today we're going to look at some place value. Our objectives will be to be able to read numbers to 100,000, be able to identify the place value of each digit in numbers up to 100,000, know how to read and write a number in word form. Here's some vocabulary that's very important. Digits, the symbols that are used to make numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are digits. Place value, the place or location of a digit gives a number value. Periods, a group of three places used for the digits in large numbers. Periods are separated by commas and help name the value of numbers. Now let's look at understanding place value. You've probably seen place value represented with units and rods and flats. Today I want to look at a comparison that if I have one unit and stack them on top of each other and take 10 of them, I can see that 110 is a group of 10 ones or units. 10 times 1 unit. If I take a stack of 10 and put 10 groups of them together, then I have 100. 100 is 10 times 110, or 10 groups of 10. If I take 10 100s and put them together, then I'm going to get 1,000. Think about it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. What comes next?
1,000.
1,000 is 10 times 100, or 10 groups of 100. Now, what if I put 10 groups of 1,000 together? Then I would have
10,000.
10,000 is 10 times 1,000, or 10 groups of 1,000. Getting the answer first, but what would 10 groups of 10,000 be?
100,000.
That's right, Miss Moore. A place value chart helps us organize numbers. Here are some examples of place value charts. Notice they don't all look the same, but if you look real close, they have a lot of the same information. Numbers are grouped into periods. The thousands period and the units period are two periods that we can sort numbers. Periods are separated by commas. Remember that each period has three place values within the period. Ones, tens, and hundreds make up our units. Ones, tens, hundreds make up our thousands. Do you see a pattern? What digit is in the hundreds place? That's right, the 4. 4 hundreds. What digit is in the 10,000s place? That's right, the 9.
What digit is in the thousands place? That's right, the 0. What's the value of 0, Miss Stiltner?
0 is 0, but when 0 is in the thousands place, it means there are no 1,000s.
What is the 100,000? What digit is in the 100,000s place? That's right, the 6. What digit is in the hundreds place?
Well, I could count from the right because I remember ones, tens, hundreds, so 9.
9 is in the hundreds place. You are right. What digit is in the 10,000s place?
Let's try counting from the right again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. I see the 4.
You are correct. The 4 is in the 10,000s place. What digit is in the thousands place?
Well, this time, because I know the comma separates my periods, then that must mean the 3 is in the thousands place.
Very good, Miss Stiltner. What digit is in the hundred thousands place?
Well, I'm going to count again just to be sure. The 2 is in the ones place, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. It must be the 7.
The 7, you are correct. What is the value of the underlined digit?
Remember, the value is how much a number is worth. So the 4 is the underlined digit. And I'm thinking the 4 is in the 10,000s place. So 4 10,000s equals?
40,000.
Notice that value is written using numbers. So we use zeros to hold the place of the other digits because I only want to know about the 4, not the other numbers. So 40,000.
What is the value of the underlined digit, the 3?
Well, 3 is in the, that's right.
The thousands place.
So 3 1,000s would be the same as 3,000.
What is the value of the 7?
The 7 is in the 100,000s place. So 700,000s would be 700,000.
What is the value of the 9?
The 9 is in the hundreds place. So 9 100s would be
900. What is the value of the 8?
8 tens. So 8 tens is
80. Good job, Miss
Yay.
Stiltner. What is the value of the 2?
This one's pretty simple.
I
Two
think so.
ones would be
2.
2. How to read and write large numbers. Read the numbers before the comma as if you were reading in the ones column, just like a regular 3-digit number. Say the period you are in when you get to the comma, except for the ones period. So I wouldn't say like 492 ones. Instead, I'm going to read it like this. 690,492. But oh, look at this tip. We do not use the words and when reading whole numbers. The word and will be used later when you're reading numbers with decimals. So let's look at this example without all those ands. 690,492. All right, let's try this number.
133,472.
643,582.
54,931.
530,801. Notice those zeros. If there's no value in that number, we just don't say the number. So 530,000 because notice that there are no extra ones.
4,268.
305,108. Thanks, boys and girls.